If you've ever wondered why a color that looks so perfect on your friend makes you look exhausted, there's a reason why. And it's probably not what TikTok told you.
In the next few minutes, we're gonna show you exactly what color analysis is, how it works, and what to look for if you want your colors analyzed.
I'm Giulia and I'm the co-founder of Colour Analyst Studio with Alessandra.
We are both Italian, as you can probably tell.
And we've been running our color analysis business for years, and we've analyzed thousands of clients both online and in person.
We also train many color analysts that are now working around the world, so welcome to Colour Analyst Studio.
So what is color analysis? Color analysis is the process of identifying which colors work in harmony with your natural coloring, so your skin, your eyes, your hair, so that when you wear them, whether it's in your clothing or hair color, makeup, jewelry and so on, your face becomes the focus and your colors appear enhanced.
The right colors make your skins appear more even, your eyes brighter, and they create just a perfect harmony with your natural features. The wrong colors tend to do exactly the opposite. They create shadows, emphasize redness or pigmentation and texture in the skin. They basically go against the harmony with your natural features.
It is believed that color analysis started in Hollywood when colors started to appear in movies. It was a service available only for actors and actresses, but it is now available to everyone.
Color analysis works by matching. The aim is to match your natural features to a color palette that shares with you the same chromatic characteristics you have.
There are 4 macro color palettes that are named with the names of the seasons of the year, and every person belongs to one of them. This is where the "what season are you" comes from.
The summer palette includes colors that are cool and soft. Think about the pastel, delicate color at dawn at the beach during summertime. People who belong to the summer palette are cool and delicate too.
The winter palette is made of colors that are cool and bright. Think about the jewel tones. And people who belong to this season have cool undertone and bright coloring.
The autumn palette includes colors that are warm and soft, rich. Think about the autumn leaves. People who belong to the autumn palette share exactly the same characteristics, are warm and soft.
The spring palette includes colors that are warm and bright, like the colors of the flowers that start blooming during this season. People who belong to the spring palette appear golden and bright.
After discovering someone's season, we dive deep into their palette to discover their very best colors, to identify basically their subgroup. That's right, we have subgroups inside each season.
And the subgroups help us identify which colors inside the seasonal palette create the greatest harmony for that specific client. Because people may belong to the same season and still have different ideal colors. This is why subgroups matter.
Color analysis is performed online or in person. We love that color analysis has become more popular online, that more people are discovering what color analysis is. That's absolutely wonderful, but
there are a couple of things to keep in mind. Remember that some analysis may stop at the season. And while being told that your winter, spring, autumn or summer is really useful, it's only part of the picture.
Without the subgroup, you are missing an important part of that picture, that is to find out your very best colors inside your season.
Exactly. And also be careful when relying on technology. AI, filters, apps, they cannot give you accurate results.
We've actually made an entire video where we test AI performing color analysis, and we notice that it's kind of inconsistent and also quite inaccurate.
Correct.
So when you want to do a color analysis session, make sure that you work with the trained professional.
So now you know your best colors. What do you do with them? First of all, you shop better, because when you know what to look for, shopping becomes a walk in the park. If you need to choose colors for your clothes, your hair dye, your jewelry, your makeup, you know exactly what to look for, and shopping is not stressful anymore.
You shop less and waste less resources, because when you know what the right colors do for you, for your skin, for your hair, for your face in general, you don't compromise anymore. You just buy things that you actually need and you will actually wear.
And also your wardrobe becomes very cohesive. You will be able to create many outfits with just a few clothing items. Why? Because everything matches within a palette. So if your wardrobe is fully in palette, you will find that everything goes with everything.
You basically save money, save time, save space in your wardrobe.
And in your mind also.
It's true.
If you found this video useful, subscribe to the channel.
We always publish new videos on color analysis, how it works, client examples, celebrity analysis, and much more.
And if you're interested in a professional color analysis, or if you want to become a color analyst yourself, visit coloranalysis.eu. You can find the link in the description below and in the pinned comment.
Thank you so much for watching till the end. We are gonna see you very soon on this channel with more videos.
Bye!
Bye.